This is Victorian house, and we in here we removed all the outside walls sheetrock, all the moldings and baseboards. We put the new baseboards on the first floor. It's just a regular white one, and we replaced the steps and risers and changed the style of the railings. Okay, over here it's a 100 years old pocket doors. So that's how they looking after we remove the white paint from it. So we still have to work a little bit. There's another one. So it's poly and white paint on top. So we removed it with the heat gun, and the other side of the door is just a lacquer. I mean the poly, whatever they used. So just a clear coat on the wood. So those were installed in these pockets, and we left the old mechanism rails. So we cleaned these doors. We cut the middle part over here, and the owner, she bought these beautiful inserts. So we cut the insides of the door and install this. So that's how it looks right now. Also, I was everything was white around the doors. All the trimming, all the boards were white. So we removed everything, and this is cherry. So everything is cherry around it. So that's gonna be either a stain or maybe just a clear coat, and I'm not sure about this finish yet, so it's probably gonna be stained, maybe not. I don't know, we'll see.